Welcome to this basic electrical engineering study guide, where we will explore the critical role of electrical installations in ensuring safety and reliability. Electrical safety relies on a system of 4 protective layers. These layers work together to provide complete containment, equipment protection, human protection, and behavioral protection. Layer 1 is containment, provided by wires and cables. The conductor carries the current, insulation prevents leakage, and the outer cover stops mechanical damage. Layer 2 is equipment protection against overcurrent. Abnormal conditions like short circuits cause massive current spikes, leading to heat buildup, equipment damage, and fire hazards. The solution is an automatic circuit break. Miniature circuit breakers, or MCBs, are a safer alternative to fuses. While fuses melt and must be replaced, MCBs are electromechanical switches that simply trip and can be reset by the user. MCBs handle overloads with a bimetallic strip that bends from sustained heat, tripping the switch. For short circuits, a magnetic solenoid instantly trips the switch from a massive current-created magnetic field. Layer 3 is human protection from current leakage. When insulation fails, metallic bodies can become live, posing a shock risk to humans. The solution requires a safe path for this leaking current. The neutral wire returns normal current to the source, completing the circuit. The earth wire only carries current during a fault or leakage, connecting the equipment body to the ground to transfer current to zero potential. The earthing pit uses an earth electrode, charcoal, and salt mixture, relying on soil moisture and depth to keep earth resistance near 0 ohms, ensuring a safe path for leakage current. Unlike MCBs, which protect equipment from overcurrents, earth leakage circuit breakers, or ELCBs, protect human life. ELCBs detect tiny leakage current imbalances and trip instantly. An ELCB works by monitoring the current balance between the line and neutral with a 3-winding transformer sensor. If current leaks, indicating a fault, the imbalance is detected and the breaker instantly trips. Layer 4 is behavioral protection. Always follow safety rules, such as keeping equipment dry, using insulated tools and rubber gloves, using non-metal ladders, and verifying power is off with an electric tester before working. The complete ecosystem of electrical safety includes equipment protection, human protection, containment, and an emergency exit to the earth. Safe and reliable power requires every layer to work perfectly together.